keep all of your subscriptions private? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my YouTube app. So from here you want to go to your home page, and then here you have to click on your profile, which is at the right top corner, and then here you have to click on your channel, and from here you have to click on edit channel. And here, as you can see, at privacy we have keep all my subscriptions private. So here, as you can see, this for me is toggled off. So if you want to keep all of your subscriptions private, you just have to toggle this off like I have right here, and then other channels will no longer be able to see who you are subscribed to. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.